So to begin, Dell was founded in 1984 by Michael Dell in Austin, Texas. Dell serves customers worldwide, selling mostly personal and desktop computers, but also other technology products. Our group has chosen to focus on Dell because although we have spoken and read about it in class, we believe there is more to the company and supply chain to investigate. We were interested in learning more details about why Dell has chosen to operate the way they do, and the strengths and weaknesses of their decisions.
Moving on, we have the competition. Dell's top three competitors are Hewlett-Packard, also known as HP, International Business Machines, also known as IBM, and Lenovo Group. HP focuses on creating hard copy documents, hence their specialization in personal computers and printers, to get typed documents from the computer screen to paper. Although IBM software products are what set them apart, they have recently made some major investments heading toward the hardware market to keep up with the rapid rates of change in the industry. Lenovo sells a wide variety of products such as tablets, smartphones, laptops, desktops, servers, and software accessories. They are unique in that certain products and services they create are geared specifically for growing education, government, and healthcare. Apple is an indirect competitor for Dell, as they sell computers, but a huge part of their brand focuses on the mobile phone market.
Next is the competitive and supply chain strategy. Dell offers a configure-to-order model for their customers, allowing them to customize millions of configurations for their PCs. Through this and their build-to-order approach, they are able to constantly introduce new products and technologies faster than their competitors. This has enabled Dell to estimate customer requirements, forecast demand, and provide low-cost PCs to their customers. They also have extensive customer intelligence that helps them gain a competitive advantage over rivals.
Moving on, we have the supply chain, drivers, and metrics. Dell is reliant on the customer throughout their supply chain. Dell maintains a constant flow of data in two information loops. These are between customers and Dell sales team, and between Dell sales team and others in sales and procurement. Dell also shares the following key metrics: forecasted sales dollars, sales quantities, and part requirements. Dell's major drivers of supply chain performance are facilities, inventory, transportation, and information. Next are process capabilities. Dell is limiting their cost across the supply chain, especially in inventory, and they are only making what will definitely be sold. The issue with this is that their nature of late decision making could result in frequent supplier changes. Their suppliers are put under pressure to always meet the demands of Dell in a quick and efficient manner.
Next, we will cover existing problems and weaknesses in the process. One of the weaknesses of Dell's distribution model is that they source a variety of products and components from many suppliers and in many countries. Because they have products coming from so many different places and suppliers, they are subject to problems. For example, in 2004, Dell had to recall 4.4 million laptop adapters for fear that they could overheat and cause electrical shocks and fires. Also, it is often generally difficult for some customers to buy Dell products because they must be customized to specifications, and this can take days to do, up to 7 to 14 days after placing the order.
Next, we have process restructuring. Because of the diversity of Dell suppliers, they are prone to making mistakes. One of the ways Dell prevents this from happening is to have a very fast and responsive information system. In order to avoid mistakes and long lead times, suppliers need to know demand and customer order information so they can produce the best possible product in the quickest way possible. In order for Dell to improve their supply chain, they can invest in upgrading their information software to help suppliers have the information they need to develop a product in an even more time-efficient way. Dell can also keep track of which products are selling the most and send them to distribution centers located in areas where demand is high. For further recommendations, currently Dell relies on transportation services such as FedEx and UPS. The main problem that lies with this, however, is that during holiday seasons when there are high volumes of orders, operations cannot always handle these levels, and it results in customers getting orders late. One option for Dell would be to implement their own transportation service. This would be a large project for Dell to take on, and the main difficulties are the amount of time and money needed to reconstruct. On this slide, we have a timeline of what the process will look like for Dell to reconstruct the information and transportation segments. Overall, we believe Dell should take the necessary steps to improve their transportation and information systems, as these are the major drivers of their performance.